Good afternoon, guys. We're in Ho Chi Minh City today, so Saigon. We actually came last night, but our flight was delayed, so we actually arrived around like 10:30 p.m. And then when we got here, we just went and checked into the hotel. I'll give you guys a tour. We're on a rooftop of the hotel we're staying at, and this is a view of Saigon. As you guys can see, like there's a lot of high rises. It kind of reminds me of New York, which is not really our style, which is why we like Da Nang, right? Yes. What do you think? Yeah.
I'm waiting so we can go explore it later to see.
Yeah, I don't have much planned since Ralph is going to work, but I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what I see. So let's go. Okay, so I just made it to the Saigon Center, which is supposed to be like the Saigon Mall. So I'm just gonna go and check in.
You drive me crazy like no one else. The final moment before I lose myself. And it's no use working 9 to 5 if you want more than to stay alive. So come on over, we can make it through. My hand, I know just what to do. I'm the thinking, dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light.
Hey guys, so I'm back from shopping. I don't know if I gave you guys a tour of our little hotel room. We're staying at Silverland Jolie Hotel. And this is a small room, but it's pretty cute. It's located in District 1, and if you go straight out of the room, you have this view of Saigon River right on this side. One of the reasons why I wanted to also come to Saigon is because I know that there's more American shops, and one thing that I'm really looking for is like U.S. size, which hasn't been easy to find in Da Nang. I went to VIPKID Mall, I went to Saigon Center, and I also went to another Crocs store because I don't know if I told you guys, but in one of the resorts that I left my shoes outside. I don't know what happened, if someone took it, but yeah, so I lost my shoes, which are Crocs. I love those types of Crocs because I'm able to go on adventures and do a lot of things. The ones that I had before, they were like burgundy here and then white, but I can't find the same style anymore. Anyway, Ralph was saying that I know we don't have that much time today, but we're trying to see if we can go and explore a little bit of Saigon. I'll take you guys with me. Let's go. Just made it to the tallest building in Southeast Asia. This is called Landmark 81. It's 81 because I guess it's 81 floors. We're gonna head over to the observatory, which I don't know if it's open, but if it is, you get to have a better view of all of Ho Chi Minh City. So let's go check it out. No way. Oh, this is the highest point right here. No, where is it? The airport is right here, guys, if you see. Right, I don't think you can see it, but it's right over there. So we're currently at the back of the observatory right now, and you'll see this big highway that goes all the way out. I didn't even notice this. Look at that. There's a little island in the middle of this river.
You can even see the edge of the city.
Good, we can go outside. Oh, that's what I was looking for. Whoa, you can go? Thank you. So, this is the outside. Wait, what are they doing up there?
You can go up, but if you do, they tie you up right here. Because, so you don't, I guess, jump out. Yeah, so they're basically tied to the rail.
All right.
No.
Whoa! Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. Doesn't that look like La Place?
That looks like a cool park.
Yeah.
People
I would
flying
hang out.
kites, picnic.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is Landmark 81. If you want to be on the tallest building in Southeast Asia, definitely come here and visit.
What I don't understand is why they tied them up to go up there, but not here. Somebody could jump off of here if they wanted to.
No.
What? You could jump from here if you wanted to.
No, like this is just metal up there.
What do you mean? You don't see what I mean?
It's taller.
No,
This is
okay,
taller.
So this is like, okay, my head is here.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this one compared to them up there.
Good morning, guys. It's our last day here in Saigon. We have a flight leaving at 4 p.m. It's currently, I believe it's 9 a.m. right now. It's pretty sunny, but I wanted to give you guys a morning view of Saigon so you guys can see what it looks like. Such a big city. Yeah, it looks really nice. And I figured, since we're probably not gonna have time to do much today, I wanted to just come in this morning and just enjoy the pool a little bit. I wouldn't say it's a pool, it's more of like a nice jacuzzi, but I think it's so cool. I wish our buildings in Da Nang were built more like this, where there's a small little gym area right here, some seating area, and like tables for you to work or to have dinner, and also a little small jacuzzi. Nothing too big, but something that would be great to have like this in Da Nang. But anyway, let's go in because it's pretty hot right now. I just looked at the temperature and it was 80, it's 82 degrees right now. So might as well come and take a dip in this beautiful little jacuzzi. Actually, I didn't tell you guys, but last night when we finished having dinner with our friends, Ralph and I went to get a massage. We looked at TripAdvisor to see like what are the most popular massages here in Saigon, and we found this place. It's not the most luxurious spa, but they are famous for giving you like a deep tissue massage. So we got one and the ladies were amazing. They literally, like, I fell asleep in about like 10 minutes of the massage, which was really cool. Yeah. Let me know if you guys have visited before. What did you guys do? We wanted to go to this snow town, which is very famous here. It's not indoor ski. It's like a indoor sled, I guess. Like you get the little boards and you can like go down like a small slope of snow, and then also there's areas where they actually let it snow a little bit. So it was part of my goal because in 2020, one of my goals in December was to go to Japan, and then Ralph and I said we would go see snow for the first time. If you guys don't know, we're from the Caribbean, Then we moved to Miami, so we've never seen snow in our life, and we always wanted to see it. So that was part of the plan, but with the pandemic, we weren't able to do it. So when we found out that Saigon had a snow, it's called Snowtown, a snow like location that you can go and see it, we're like, okay, I know it's not real snow, but at least we can go visit it and, you know, experience it, even though it's not real, it's man-made. But we don't have time to do it today, so I think we're probably just gonna come back. I was actually telling my sister how excited I was about going there, but she said she doesn't want me to go because she wants us to, like, as a family, to experience snow together. So yeah, we'll see. Now we're walking to go to have breakfast. So we're just by the VIPKID Center that I was yesterday. You guys can see it's a big mall, and there's a nice little sitting area right here, a little garden. And on this side, you guys can see this building. I think this is the post office that's very famous in Saigon. Okay guys, so we just made it to the restaurant, the vegetarian restaurant that we were looking for. It's called Bang Sang. It's right on the street. We basically walked here from our hotel. It's about a 10-minute walk, and we actually got to see the cathedral, which was cool. Anyway, so I'm going to order. It's a lot of vegetarian dishes, and the price is not bad at all. So, all right, let's eat. Okay guys, the driver is here. We're gonna rush because we need to get to the airport as soon as possible. So I'll see you guys there. So we just got back from having lunch. I just ordered a Grab to go to the airport. We have to go because our flight is at 4, but there's crazy traffic here in Saigon. So I don't know if I'll see you guys there. If I don't, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.